this is master. Now it's time to solve our exercises, isn't it? Children, what you have to do is make a separate notebook for this fair book and copy the all exercise in your notebook. Today I am going to teach you the grammar, little bit grammar, that is praises. Words in use, praises. Looking for, here more than 2 words we call it as the praises. More than 2 words we call it as the praises. For example, I will give you looking for. Looking for. How to generate this sentence by using these phrases. Here what you have to do is, by using the looking for, you have to generate the one sentence. How? I will tell you how we need to generate the sentence. Looking for means searching. Searching. In the sense, here I will give you the one word, look after. For example, today's topic is praises. Example, look after. Okay. As I already told you, looking for means searching, to find. Look after, to care of means take care of. Look after means take care of. Take care of. This is the meaning of look after. Take care of. He remained in the village to look after his parents. He remained in the village to take care of his parents. Here, instead of the take care of, we can also use the look after. He remained in the village, look after his parents. Instead of using the take care of, we can also use the look after. This is called as the praises. Look after. Next, look down on. Look down on. Look down on. What does it mean? It means that think that someone is less important than you. Means underestimating the other persons. Look down on. I will tell you the one sentence by giving this example, that is, she thinks they look down on her because she is poor. She thinks she is looked down on her because she is poor. Yes, understood? All of you getting my point? Here, look down on means think that someone is less important than you. Means you are giving less importance to the other person. You are underestimating the other person. For example, suppose you know better English but your friend doesn't know the fluent English. That time you can use the word look down on. Instead of using this all the meaning, you can use only look down on. Means it makes the sentence smaller and gives the lots of meaning. That is called as the praises. By using the few words, we can generate the sentence. It makes the sentence not too long. Got my point? Next, coming to the third one, look up to. Look up to. What does it mean? Look up to means admire and respect. Admire and respect. Means you are thinking to give some respect to the elders. That time you can use the look up to instead of using the admire and respect. Instead of this place, you can use the look up to. To whom you admire and to whom you respect. For example, I will tell you, I always looked up to my teachers. I always looked up to my teachers. You can also say that I always look up to my parents. Means I am admired and respectful to my parents. I am admired my parents. I will give respect to my parents. So here we can use look up to. Next, last one, look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to means to wait eagerly. To wait. See children, look forward to means to wait eagerly. You want to get something, for that you are waiting eagerly. Now you all are thinking that when schools will open, when schools are open, you all are curious about the school reopening. That is, you all are eagerly waiting when the schools are open. Yes, no? Like that, instead of using the to wait eagerly words, we can use the phrase of look forward to. I am looking forward to my exam results. I am looking forward to my exam result. For example, Ramesh is looking forward to his 10th class results. Suma is looking forward to her PUC second year results. Getting my point? Instead of using to wait eagerly, we can use look forward to. Look forward to means to wait eagerly. Both are the same. By using these two words, you can generate the sentence. But here what happens? It's too lengthy. If you use the meaning means it makes too lengthy. Instead of using lengthy words, you can use the small words. Phrases, small phrases. Look forward to. Got my point? By using the one word, looking, searching word, we can make the 4 phrases. That is, look after. Second one, look down on. Third one, look up to. Fourth one, look forward to. Understood? These all are clear? These all things are there in your textbook page number 5. Open your textbook page number 5. These all things are there. Phrases. These are given on your textbook. Next, here there is a exercise on page number 6. Now turn your page number 6. Use a phrase with a look in the place of the italicized words in these sentence. Italicized. What is this italicized? What does this means, italicized? All of you use the computer? Yes, in that there are some options are there. Italic, bold, American. That is the one type of style, writing the font style. Font style, we call it as the italicized, and the italic order means italic order. Here in your textbook, which word is different than other words? A. Use a phrase with a look in the place of the italicized words in these sentences. First one, he was eagerly waiting for his class 10th results. He was eagerly waiting for his class 10th results. Childrens, I will write the answer here. So, here waiting font style. Okay, I will tell you the answer of this sentence. So children, before that you should copy these all things. Write it in your notebook. Copy this. Okay? Okay, we'll move to the next. So first one they had given that he was eagerly waiting for his class 10 results. So what will be the answer? Fourth main, first answer. What? Eagerly waiting means which phrase suits here? Whether it's a look after or look down on or a look up to or a look forward to. Look forward to means I told you wait eagerly. To wait eagerly means here what you have to write is he was looking forward to his class 10 results. Instead of using the waiting eagerly, I have used here looking forward. What is this? Looking forward means? Looking forward means this is the praises. Instead of using the waiting eagerly, I used here looking forward. He was looking forward to his class 10 results. Next, second one. We should not think someone less important because he or she cannot speak English fluently. What will be the answer? Someone less important than you. Which phrase suits here? I told you just now. Someone less than. Which phrase? Second answer. We should not look down on them because he or she cannot speak English fluently. This is the answer. Fourth main, second answer. We should not look down on them because he or she cannot speak English fluently. Okay. Instead of using the someone less important, I have used here look down on. This is the praise. Next, third answer. These questions are there in your textbook. I am writing here only answers. So what you have to do is first write the questions by seeing your textbook. Next write down the answers. Third one. Children admire and respect the teachers who inspire them. Admire and inspire. It's similar to the which phrase? Look up to. Children look up to. Children look up to the teachers. The teachers who inspire them. Who inspire them. Instead of using the admire and respect, I have used here the look up to. Look up to. Praise. Fourth answer, last one but not least. Shravan Kumara took a great care of his parents. Take care of means look after. Shravan Kumara look after his parents. Shravana Kumara look after his parents. Look after means take care of. The boy Shravan Kumara has take care of his parents. Here by using the look after phrase we can generate the sentence like this. Shravan Kumara look after his parents. Understood, students? Clear these points? These 4 questions are in your textbook. Copy that. I am writing here only answers, phrases. This is the grammatical part, grammar. Is there any doubt in this? Phrase means instead of using the lengthy words, we can use the small words to generate the sentence. Phrases. You got my point? Clear? As childrens, do this in your fair book. Complete the homework. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.